There are also species that are flexible enough to use several types of nests, as is the case with a robin or a common blackbird. Trees are the main place for food acquisition for many species of birds. Invertebrates, seeds, and fruits can be found there. Certain species, such as orioles, goldcrests, coal tits, or red crossbills, are mainly found in the crowns of tall trees where they feed and find a place to build a nest. However, not all of them nest so high. There are also species that find the best conditions for nest construction in the forest layer.